Rodigan, me say no matter where you try tonight, you know. Me win the dance, you know. If you say a joke.
I body roots from the poison note sound. If you say a joke. Poison note in the town. I body roots say so. You trying to conquer poison note.
You know what I could do? I could play you the original Horace Andy from 1983, but I'm not going to do it. What I am going to do is play this.
Buenas noches, amigos. Senor, if you come to speak, speak. If you come to shoot, shoot. But if you come to speak, we will shoot. I don't know David Rodigan, the original sound murderer. The plate's playing in the ghetto tonight. We're gonna rock you tonight. Roddy gonna rock you tonight. Murderer, Roddy gonna murderer. Murderer, Roddy gonna sound killer. Oh Lord, and if the crash it, Roddy gonna crash it.
Murderer, me a murderer, sound killer.
How do you suppose you don't take the one in 2 of the year? David Rodigan 2 of the year. Bumbo Clad, me say David Rodigan 5 poison dart, none. Poison dart. You stick right there, sir. Right there, sir, you stick. Right there, sir, you stick. Antigua, you never watch a movie, Rockers? You don't know Dirty Harry? If you watch Rockers, listen to Junior.
Hey, old pan jump pan son boy. You think so? I know so. This is it, originally Bernard Sata Collins, original Bassinians. Big up Poison Dart, the big sound bout ya. Big up man like Mental, Kipleton, Frisco, and Antigua. Big ones behind Poison Dart sound. We say so, yeah, Poison Dart sound from far away.
I traveled 3,500 miles, but you haven't killed me yet. There is a sound far, far away, with all due respect and honor. On the 11th of December, 1994, on the 11th of December, 1994, Jamaica stopped. Everywhere stopped, because we got the news on the wire and we couldn't believe it. If you miss him like I miss him, then come with me up Spurtree Hill into the mountains of Jamaica. The thing called...
Attention please. I want you to know Rodigan don't come to throw bottles or stones, fire gun or throw bombs in this time. But musical wickedness in dancehall places. Garnet Silk says so. Hey! Let them keep talking. Let them talk, keep them talking.
Keep talking.
Rodigan gonna keep them talking. Laugh when they're talking. Yeah. Rodigan got a lot more coming. Talk, keep them talking.
Keep talking, Poison Dart. I got a lot more coming.
Poison that we know in the 2 of the year. I said David Rodigan we know on the 2 of the year. 6-0. David Rodigan win the dance, you know.
Daddy, you want to play one tune?
Yeah, man. 6 straight. David Rodigan win the dance. What's the David Rodigan 2 of the year? David Rodigan win the dance. Let's say you want to play some tune for John? You want to play 2 more still? Alright, this say you want to play 2 more. Hold on, we have 2 more. Alright, 2 more. Pass it out. Hey, man, Rodigan. Big up on yourself. Sportsmanship. Bless. Yeah? At the end of that, I'm not lie. Big respect. But I'm sure some still have tune.
To the them toots and the meters foundation of the business.
Yeah, President that. Good back sound of the run dance.
So I say, I'm still up tune.
Yes, I.
I say, yeah, the number one song I play. But the year I say, yeah, I'm President that.
I got 2 to go. And this man, my God, 70s, rocking up into the 80s. Antigua!
Well, it's some little guy come talk when I'm fronted, gold-teeth, side-teeth, column-teeth, piper and castle and that. Rodigan will kill on if a boy was stick out kid about 21 or 41. Back you don't want to test it down. We them want to ram it up. Mr. Rodigan them want to figure rip it up. And all the blankers.
People dead! People dead! 1 to go.
And the wickedest stuff, me love you. But not lie. Bad. Big up Super Cat. Me rate that tune there, where say? Yeah, man. Come on. Who that Super Cat? Me play grandfather now. Bunny Wheeler.
Big out, there's Masman crew. This is the original Bandala. Tell you that only Poison that can play. Let me a sample ya.
Super Cat grandfather.
Mental, Frisco and Clifton. You don't know the Masman crew. Hear it. But Poison that no, a sound boy funeral.
Ladies and gentlemen, with all due respect, really, enough respect to Poison Dart. Enough respect to Poison Dart. They came to conquer, and we had a great night, and I hope you had a great night too. But now I'm going to take you back 24 years. Way back, way back, to a singer who's no longer with us, but my God, the music lives on.
David Rodigan, strong on ya, oh. Gonna play forever, Lord no, strong on ya. Hey, you just ring the alarm. Tick-a-tick-a-tock, Rodigan play non-stop.
Thank you, Antigua. Come here. Come here. Big it up. Poison Dart, Poison Dart, Frisco to Antigua. Come on. Hey.
You just ring the alarm.
Give me some guys of Antigua, tell us all.
Tick-a-tick-a-tock, Rodigan play non-stop.
Hey.
Tick-a-tick-a-tock, tick-a-tick-a-tock, Roddy play non-stop. Whoa. Straight from London
to Antigua. Thank you. Good night.
Bumbo Glad. Dance called Survive the Gideon. Big up Poison Dart, big up all the people that come support the dance. Big up Poison Dart, David Rodigan. A Stonewall Poison Dart promotion. And, what I say? You want David Rodigan to play some more tune? Rodigan, they said I want to play some more tune.